Welcome to our Explore English Online. Today we focus on fast improvement for beginners. Please listen carefully and repeat after us.
This session helps you speak simple daily English. We will guide you step by step for 3 hours. Practice aloud, relax, and enjoy learning with us.
Greetings and simple conversations. Let's begin with greetings like hello and good morning. I will say each phrase slowly for you. Repeat after me to build confidence.
Next, we practice easy questions like, how are you? Listen first, then speak with us. You will repeat a short conversation at the end.
Introducing yourself. Now we learn how to talk about your name, age, and country. I will ask simple questions for you to answer aloud. Practice many times to help you remember.
I will show you examples of simple introductions. Then we will do question and answer drills together. Repeat clearly and slowly with me.
Daily routines. Daily routines help you describe your day. We use phrases like, I wake up and I study English. Repeat each sentence with me.
I will read a mini story called A Day in My Life. First slow, then normal speed. Listen carefully and repeat the full story.
Talking about family. Let's learn family words like father, mother, brother, sister. I give you examples using I have. Repeat each simple sentence.
We will practice an easy family conversation together. You will answer my questions aloud. Speak with confidence as you repeat.
Feelings and emotions. Feelings help you talk about your day. Happy, tired, hungry. I teach you simple sentences like, I feel happy. Repeat after me slowly.
I will ask you, how do you feel? You answer aloud using any feeling word. This is great practice for real conversations.
Shopping English. Shopping phrases are useful for real situations. I teach you how to say, how much is this? Repeat each line after me.
We will act a small store conversation. Listen to my part and copy the phrases. You will feel more confident after practicing.
Restaurant English. Let's practice ordering food in simple sentences. I will teach you, I want a burger and I want water. Repeat them to improve pronunciation.
I will act out a slow restaurant dialogue. Repeat the conversation with me, line by line. This will help you order food easily.
Travel English. Travel words include taxi, bus, train, ticket, airport. Repeat each word slowly with me. Then I will teach you how to ask for help.
We will practice. Where is the bus station? I will give you a short direction conversation. Speak after me clearly.
Weather and seasons. Weather words are simple. Sunny, rainy, hot, cold. Repeat each word clearly. Practice short sentences with me.
I will ask you, how is the weather today? You answer aloud using a weather word, then repeat our short dialogue.
Health and Doctor English. Health phrases are important for beginners. I teach you, I have a headache and I feel sick. Repeat each sentence slowly.
I will read a simple doctor conversation. Listen first, then repeat each line after me. This will help you talk about basic health problems.
Short daily conversations. Now we practice short everyday conversations. I speak slowly first to help you understand. Repeat each line with confidence.
Then I repeat the conversation at normal speed. You try to follow and speak with me. This helps build real-life fluency.
Asking and answering questions. Let's practice common, simple questions. I teach you, where do you live? and what do you like? Repeat them after me.
Now we do echo training together. I ask questions and you answer loudly. This builds strong communication skills.
Polite English. Polite words include please, thank you, excuse me, sorry. Repeat each word slowly after me. I also teach you polite requests.
I will act as a store worker for a dialogue. You repeat both customer and staff lines. This helps you sound polite in English.
Describing people and places. We describe people using sentences like he is tall. Repeat after me clearly. Use simple adjectives as you learn.
Now we describe places like the room is big. Repeat my sentences carefully. Imagine a place and speak about it.
Fast improvement practice. Now we begin fast repetition practice. I give you short sentences to repeat. Try to speak quickly and clearly.
We will also do short mini conversations. Listen fast and repeat immediately. This training builds quick fluency.
Numbers and time. We will practice numbers from 1 to 100. I say the number slowly, repeat after me. This helps with daily counting and times.
Now let's learn how to tell the time. I will say, it is 3 o'clock, slowly. Repeat after me to sound natural.
Days and months. Learn the days of the week and months. Repeat them after me slowly. You can say today's day and month aloud.
We will practice sentences like, today is Monday. Then I will ask you, which month is it? Answer aloud and repeat after me.
Colors and shapes. Colors help describe things easily. Repeat words like red, blue, green, yellow. Use them in simple sentences.
Shapes help talk about objects. Circle, square, triangle. Repeat after me slowly. Combine color and shape for practice.
Clothes and fashion. Clothes words, shirt, pants, dress, shoes. Repeat each word with me. Now make simple sentences. I wear a red shirt.
We practice a short dialogue about shopping for clothes. Listen and repeat each line. This helps you speak naturally in stores.
Food and drinks. Learn common food and drink words. Rice, bread, water, juice. Repeat after me slowly. Use them in sentences. I eat rice.
Now let's practice ordering in a cafe. I will ask, what do you want to drink? Repeat your answer clearly after me.
Hobbies and free time. Hobby words. Reading, swimming, playing football. Repeat each one with me. Make sentences like, I like swimming.
We practice a short conversation about hobbies. Listen carefully and repeat each line. Ask each other, what is your hobby?
School and work. Learn words for school and work. Teacher, student, office. Repeat after me. Use in sentences. I am a student.
We will practice a dialogue. Where do you work? Answer with simple sentences. Repeat after me slowly.
Directions and places. Common places. Bank, park, hospital, supermarket. Repeat each word slowly. Use phrases like, where is the bank?
Now practice answering. Go straight, turn left. Repeat the directions after me. This is very useful in real life.
Transportation. Transport words, bus, taxi, train, plane. Repeat slowly with me. Use them in sentences. I take the bus.
We practice a dialogue about traveling. Listen and repeat each line. Ask questions. How do you go to work?
Nature and animals. Nature words: tree, flower, river, mountain. Repeat after me slowly. Use them in simple sentences.
Animal words: dog, cat, bird, cow. Repeat each one with me. Practice sentences. I have a cat.
Emergency English. Learn basic emergency sentences. Call the police or I need help. Repeat each one slowly. This is very important for safety.
We practice a dialogue in an emergency. Listen carefully and repeat each line. Answer the questions aloud for practice.
Shopping extras. Learn phrases like I like this and do you have another color? Repeat after me. Practice with me slowly.
We do a short shopping dialogue. You answer my questions aloud. This builds confidence in stores.
Restaurant extras. We practice longer restaurant sentences. Can I have the menu, please? Repeat slowly after me. Use in mini dialogues with me.
Answer questions like, what do you want to drink? Repeat each line clearly. This helps you order easily in real life.
Travel extras. Practice sentences like, I want a ticket to London. Repeat after me slowly. Use it with directions and transport words.
We practice a dialogue at the airport. Answer questions like, which gate is mine? Repeat after me carefully. Fluency boost and review.
Now we review all the words and phrases. Repeat short dialogues quickly with me. This builds real fluency and confidence.
Listen carefully, repeat, and speak aloud. Practice all the mini conversations we learned. Great job. Keep practicing every day.